say good morning? Okay. Okay, no good morning. Say hello. We're not going over there. We gotta get the diapies. Come on, let's get the diapies. Let's go this way. Gotta get the diapies. Gotta get the diapies. Gotta get the diapies. Gotta get your diapers, mama. And we gotta cut a hole in it because doggy diapers are the worst. They don't really stay up. They don't really work that great. So somebody needs to make a new creation, or I will. Oh, you want to lay on the heat of the baby. Go pee-pee. We gotta get that morning pee-pee in. Gotta get that morning pee-pee in. Come on, girl. Come on. Go down step. Go down step. Come on. Oh, there's Sissy. She said, I'm already down here. Lord, they hate the rain. Get your diapers. All right, come on. We gotta go. You wear one. It's raining, I know it. Oh my goodness. Come on. Got you wear one. Come on, mamas. Oh, you don't want to go. It's okay, baby. She using the restroom. She went out there. You go out there, baby. It's all right. It's just a rain. Rainy days. It's been about, 3 days now? Sick of it! Oh, that's the old man. Go pee-pee, man. Oh, you hate the rain. That mommy hates the rain. Dizzy. Hey, Dizzy. Come on. Come on, girl.